Hello everyone. Today we will learn basically how we can connect SAP Remote Server on Mac system. Okay, Mac operating system. So welcome to Learn Anyone channel. Okay, so we will see how basically to connect SAP any system, remote server system on Mac operating system. So let's start. Okay, you will see here on Mac operating system, you will see here open okay app stores. Okay, click this, open this app store. Okay, and on the search bar, okay, you can write Microsoft, Microsoft, Microsoft. Okay, remote desktop. Okay, so once you click here or search it, you will see here so many Microsoft applications, desktop, remote desktop application would be here. So you can see this is a Microsoft desktop here. Okay, so you can just open it. If it is not installed, you need to install it. But if it is already installed, just open it. Click on this one. So if you open it, so automatically you will see here, okay, it is going to open over here. So this is, we have it. If it is not available, from here, you can just search on Launchpad here. Okay, Microsoft. See, it is already when we have it from here. Click this Microsoft. Okay, remote desktop. See, it is available here. Okay, you can add. Okay, see here, add PC, or you can go here, add PC. Both options are available. Okay, now you have to give the PC name or your IP address. Okay, so just copy your IP address from here. So I'm going to copy the IP address of remote SAP server. Okay, you can give it here. So once give, it will ask, okay, give, add it. So I'm going to add it. See, once you add, you will see here okay, just double click on this. See, it is asking username and password. So you have to give the username password. So we have here the username password. You can just copy the username. And also we have a password here. So once you give the username password, you can see I am giving the username of password. Okay. So once done, you can continue it. So now a system is going to connect. So click continue. So now you can see you are connecting to SAP remote server. You can see this is okay. We are connected the system. Okay. You can see this is connected over here. Okay. So if in case, if okay, you can minimize it. If you would like to minimize it, you can minimize it. Okay. Now you can see here we have S4HANA. Okay, you can give the user ID here and whatever the password you have it, okay, copy and paste the password. See, it is selected. Okay, it is okay. If in case check the any table or anything, basics like Mara table and all, you can just display and check. So you can see the data over here. So this is how basically we are checking the data, okay, in Mara table. And this is how we are connecting the SAP remote server, okay, in Mac operating systems. Okay, so if in case any issues, okay, please reach out to us. Okay, or if in case anyone want to learn SAP online training, okay, if anyone required server access or video and material, please reach us. Okay, on learnanyone22@gmail.com. Okay, thank you, and definitely you can like this channel, okay, and subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching this video.